fall, y'all. Guys, this is my favorite beer of all time. This is Southern Tier Pumpking. It's an Imperial Pumpkin Ale, 8.6 ABV. Hold on. It says pumpkin pie in a glass. Does anything else even need to be said? What is that sound? You guys, I decided to record on a day when there's a parade right outside my window. I'm all about people celebrating. I'm just saying I hate parades. I've always hated parades. You can't make me like parades. Crowds, noise, throwing things. No. You can call me a killjoy if you want to. I'm fine with that. I know as children, most of us loved having the candy being thrown at us. I would actually cower when people threw candy. Then your parents would just be like, go get it. Go run in the street. Go get the candy now. I don't want the candy. I don't want the pressure of you watching me trying to get the candy. What if I don't get the candy and someone else gets the candy and then I feel like a loser and everyone's watched me not get the candy? I don't have any childhood trauma associated with parades. Sweet nectar of the gods. You guys, it's the September 2018 Boxycharm. Strap in. This is basically how I'm going to structure every one of my Boxycharm videos. I'm going to use all the products and try everything out beforehand so I can give you my honest review of the products. And then the whole video is going to be try-on style so you can see how they apply. Okay, I've already done like my brows and my foundation and all of that stuff, so we can just get right into the box. The theme of this month is wildflower. First thing I'm going to pull out to show you is the palette they sent me. This is the Nightingale eyeshadow palette from Pretty Vulgar. Never heard of this brand. First of all, this packaging is super cutesy, but I'm kind of into it. They give you a really nice sized mirror up here, which I'm a big fan of. This is a Smokey eyeshadow palette and it is cool toned. I honestly have a lot of palettes that are warm toned, so this is kind of a nice addition. Made up of 12 highly pigmented shades, the matte, shimmer, and satin shades are soft in texture. Okay, this retails for $35. So we're gonna do a whole eye look with this today. It is going to be a very dramatic smoky eye. Let's just get right into it. I also just have to point out that it is literally 80 degrees outside. Dog days of summer, I reject you. Okay, go away now, I hate you, bye. Oh wait, no, I forgot. I actually have to show you another product before I use the eyeshadow palette because I also got a brush set in this box and I am in love with this. The Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set. Made with 100% synthetic fibers, these brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. A flat painter brush, perfect for patting shadow in. Lovely, fluffy blender brush, I'm obsessed with. Then you get a flat tight liner brush, which is perfect for direct color application on your lash lines. These I am a big fan of, and they retail for $18. Now we can go ahead and get into the palette. First, I'm gonna go in with this light brown color, and I'm just gonna do one eye for you guys, and then I'm gonna do the other eye off camera just to save time. Putting that all over my lid up into the crease. I'm just gonna kind of slowly build the intensity of the pigments on the eye. I go in with Flip Out, which is a matte chocolatey brown. Next, I'm gonna go in with After Midnight, which is a matte charcoal color. And I'm pretty much just using my fluffy brush for all of these. Really tapping it out because we don't want no fallout, okay? Right up into the crease. I know a smoky eye can be daunting, but the key thing is just one thing at a time, blend slowly and build it up. I'm gonna take this little flat brush and I'm going to wet it with my Fix Plus. If you don't have any sort of setting spray, you could literally use water to wet this. Not gonna lie to you, there have been times when I've wet it with my tongue. Don't judge me. I'm gonna go in with this color, which is a satin gunmetal. Obsessed. And I'm going in wet because it's so pigmented. I just wanna set it down first and then I can blend it out. Ooh, she be pigmented. Now I'm going to go in with a fluffy clean brush and I'm just going to blend that out. If something isn't working for you, as Tim Gunn says, make it work. Go back in with that little painter brush, tap this under my eye. Just going to take a clean brush and blend that out a little bit. You can even take this a little further down and go for the whole drug addict chic look. Don't get overly sensitive about that. That was a whole look in the 90s. Now I'm going to wet this little flat tip brush, go into this color called All Nighter, which is just a matte black, and I'm gonna line my eyes with that. Wow, I wet that and that is literally almost giving me like a liquid liner situation, but I'm not mad about it. Tapping a brow bone color in, I'm using this color, it's called Pillow Talk, and going over that a few times just to make sure everything is nice and seamless. I'm gonna go off camera, finish the other eye, and I'll be right back. I really do like this palette a lot. I feel like it would also just be a really nice gift idea for someone because it's packaged so cute. I went the sort of like a gray gunmetal smoky eye route, but you can also do a black and brown smoky eye with this too. Yeah, I like it. Okay guys, the next thing I'm gonna mention is this eyeliner. Now, you're probably noticing that I didn't use this eyeliner in my look. This is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. I tried to use this like 3 times. This is one of those liquid liners. Basically has like a little rolly tip. This is the least functional beauty product I think I've ever used in my entire life. I know how that sounds. It sounds really dramatic, but I mean it. The rolly tip is supposed to make this really functional and easy. For me, it was the opposite. I'd be trying to do a sensible cat eye and all of a sudden the roller would become possessed and just like roll another direction. I refused to use this in my look today because I knew I would spend so much time just taking makeup wipes and redoing what I had already done. Sorry Butter London, no. But just so you know, that liner retails for $19. Drum roll, please. This is my most favorite item in my box. This is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. Even in the pan, it is just stunning. Add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy. They're not just baked. They baked in Italy. I don't know why that makes it better, but it just does. Baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. It's paraben free and infused with skin loving antioxidants. This retails for $28. As you can see, it is not matte. It has a gorgeous glowy sheen to it. Look at that beautiful glow it's giving me. I love using this blush with more of a dewy, natural look. I'm not quite sure I would choose this with the eye look, but this is the look we're doing today with the box. So this is like a Chrissy Teigen blush if I ever saw one. Just juicy and fresh and gorgeous. If you aren't going for Chrissy Teigen cheeks, I don't know what you're going for. Fall is starting. I've started my scary movie watching extravaganza. I know I'm a little bit early, whatever. You guys, the other night I watched the original Omen. Have you seen it? That scene where the nanny is standing on the rooftop screaming to little boy Damien, "Look at me, Damien, it's all for you!" And she literally hangs herself and crashes into a window smiling. I got up to pee that night and I had to turn on all the lights and then I just sweated the rest of the night out under my blankets. Also, I'm going back and watching American Horror Story Coven. The best combination of witches, awesome goth outfits, cat fights, and Stevie Nicks. Jessica Lange essentially plays the same character in every season of American Horror Story and I'm into it. Can anyone play just a sad, washed up Southern beauty better than Jessica Lange can? I don't think so. Okay, I'm just gonna say and know that I think she looks stunning for her age. But if you ever need a reminder that you should be treating your neck and your chest the same way you do your face, just take a little glance at Jessica Lange's neck. I'm not trying to be harsh, I'm just saying. Go get your retinol and apply it while you're watching American Horror Story. But I love you though, Jessica. The last thing in my box is the Hank and Henry liquid lipstick. This has a frosting scent. It's a long wear liquid lipstick and glides on smoothly while its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. Highly pigmented and dries to a stunning full coverage matte finish that never dries your lips and never transfers. I'm going to apply this and then I'm going to tell you my thoughts. Okay, so the color is called Petal Pusher. It is just a really pretty vintage rose color, which I'm totally all about. These lips are a lot with this eye look. I like the color. The formula for me is incredibly drying. My lips feel like mummy lips. I don't know what it is. I just find it very hard to get down with a matte liquid lip. I find them to be the most drying lip product that exists out there, and this unfortunately is no exception. I feel old and dry. The liquid lipstick retails at $17. My favorite things in the box are the blush and the brushes. And I do like this palette. I think it's really nice. Unfortunately, the liner was a total miss for me, and this lipstick I could do without. Please tell me what you guys got in your boxes this month. Did you love it? Did you hate it? If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, click the subscribe button. Wow, this is just really a lot of makeup right now. What are you gonna do? Bye!